welcome back to my channel Anushka Kaushik. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So today's video is like a haul. I'm very excited and yeah, so this time I purchased mostly skincare और makeup बहुत कम है, so I'm very proud of myself. I was like, let's purchase some skincare this time and not a lot of makeup. So yeah, that's very important. So now without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
And it goes a little something like
So the first product that I have is this. So this is from Biotique and it's an Advanced Ayurveda Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. So this is a toner and I love using toners. So I've been using this one for a year and it was over, so I had to repurchase this one. It's so good. I can't tell you enough about this one. And it's a pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters for normal to oily skin, and it's really good. So just open it. So this is how it looks. And this toner, as I told you, मैं इसे बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. मेरा ख़त्म हो गया था तो मुझे ऑर्डर करना ही था वापस because it's really nice and I don't think you can get a better toner than this one in drugstore. So I can definitely tell you इससे अच्छा toner है ही नहीं. It's a really good one. So yeah, and this is only for 175. Yeah, and so good. And the next product is again from Biotique, and this one is again one of my favorite products. So this is Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub, and it's so good. So this one it's like their best-selling products, and I have used this one. So I had to repurchase this one. मेरा वापस से ही खत्म हो गया था, so I repurchased this, and it's for all skin types. So yeah, it's आपकी oily है, combination skin है, or either you are dry, everyone can use. So this one is for all skin types. So even if you are oily, combination dry, everyone can use this one. And this is really nice, and it's a tan removal scrub, and it really removes the tan on your face. I think scrubs are something which you should use or should try once and then take into your skincare routine, because if you have sensitive skin, I definitely have sensitive skin, so but this is the best one out there even for sensitive skin, and this one is only for 140 rupees. Again, it's amazing. Biotique makes some amazing products and the pricing is also so good. It's not really expensive and the products are amazing. And then I have is a night cream. So again, this one is from Biotique and it's their Bio Seaweed Revitalizer. And again, this one is from Biotique and it's their Bio Seaweed Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. And it's again very good, and I already used this one and it was over, so I had to repurchase this one. So good. So this is a really good eye cream. You can see it's really tiny, but it has enough product, like really it's in the gel form. So I really like that about this one. So if you can see, so as you saw, it's in the gel form and it's really good. And I think eye creams are super essential to use in your skincare routine, especially your eye area बहुत sensitive होता है, so you should use a separate cream for eyes. And this one does wonders for me. And the pricing for this one is just for 199. So I really couldn't find any good eye cream which is not so expensive also, but good also. But this is the only one that I have been using. It's the best one, I think. It's really good. I'll highly recommend to use to try this eye cream. The next product that I have is something I wanted to buy for a really long time, but I was like, should I buy, should I not? Because again, it's a very hype product. Everyone is buying, sub purchase kar rahe, everyone is using it. So I was like, I should give it a try. It's reviews are really good about this product, but it's a bit expensive. So yeah, but this time I bought, and so this is the product. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Oh my god. So I bought the smaller one and this one is for 500 rupees. And this one is in berry. Okay, so that's open. You can see the quantity. It's chotu sa hai. So this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Really tiny, but the reviews of this product are really good. So I really wanted to try this one, and the smell of this product. Oh my god, it's really good. It's in the berry flavor. I can just eat this one. It's so good. This product was on my wish list for so long, and I finally purchased this one. And yeah, I can't wait to use it every night before I sleep. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And do let me know if you want like a updated skincare routine with my new skincare products, or like a review of all the products that I purchased. Yeah, I would love to make it, so do let me know in the comment section below. Then I got my hands on the most hyped serums internationally also, and in India also, is this one. So I guess everyone would know about this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5 hyaluronic acid, and I had to try this one. It's so much high, it's so much popular everywhere, nationally or in India. So it's been quite few months it has launched in India. I was from quite a few time I had to try this one, but now finally I got my hands on this one. This is how it looks. This product something, it's so like I had to try this one, and it's for rupees 999. This product is one of the most hyped serums, and I think this is a really good one. This one says it's used daily before your moisturizer. Avoid eye area. So it's really important, don't apply on eye areas. Eyes are very, very, very sensitive. You should not apply there any serum, anything. Always apply serums. Any serums. It's just not about this one. Any serums when you're done with your toner and before applying your moisturizer. And I've been using it for like past 3 days, and I could see a difference in my skin, and it's really hydrates, and my skin is really hydrating. I would see a difference, but I would get to know more after a few more weeks, when I will use daily, and I will see more difference. So yeah, and this one is one of the most, I'm very happy about this purchase. So I think you should definitely try this one. It's a really good product, and I'm loving the serum. It's really nice. It has no fragrance, no color, nothing. So as you can see, it has no color and has no fragrance, nothing, and it's really good for your skin. So the next product is a bit on the expensive side. So I have this one. This is the product, and it's from Kama Ayurveda. So Kama Ayurveda is more of a luxury brand, and products are expensive. So this is their Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid, and this is their night serum. I really wanted to try this one. This is the product. It's only this much. Like you can see, बहुत tiny है. It's in the bottle with like only this much quantity. And for the pricing, it's for 845. So according to the quantity, yes, it's very expensive. But then I wanted to try this one for a really long time, so I've taken it. So this is their night serum, and it says it's really good for your skin and everything. And this is the drops. Okay. After toning and all, you can apply this serum. So you just need like 2 drops, because it's already very tiny. It has not much quantity, so I don't want it to be finished really fast. So for this product, it says the formulation is a blend of finest saffron from Kashmir to help give a more radiant glow to the skin. And yeah, I hope it does that. The quality of this rare and careful processed saffron is what makes Kama Ayurveda's Kumkumadi a miraculous beauty fluid. Okay, so I think it will be really nice to use, I hopefully. And the direction of how to use this one is apply this oil as a nighttime ritual after cleansing and toning your face. So as I told you, first cleanse your face, makeup वगैरह कुछ भी हो, if नहीं भी, then also it's very important you clean your face, cleanse, face wash it, and then do the toner, and then applying the serum. So yeah, I'm like really excited to use this product, because it is, yes, very expensive for the compared to the quantity, but yeah, I have a lot of good reviews about this one, so hopefully it will be good. And the next product is again from Kama Ayurveda. This is their regenerating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream. So I was really looking for a good eye cream for a really long time, and I finally purchased this one after like looking for so many, after like reviewing so many creams. I finally got this one. So it says, this incredible rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream is a special blend of precious and rare ingredients to eliminate the skin color and promote cell growth. So I hope it does that. Again, on the expensive side, this is how it looks. With a tiny spoon of, oh, that's so cute, to apply your night cream. Cream is for 4 to 5. Okay, so this one is in all yellow color. So this is how it looks, all yellow. I can't wait to try this product in my night skincare routine. And I can't wait to use this cream in my night skincare routine. So I really wanted for a really long time a good night cream. And I finally got one. So yeah, really happy. Now let's move on to the makeup products that I purchased. I don't know if you know, but you should know. I'm a person who loves blushes and trying different kind of blush. Either it's liquid, cream or powder blush, especially cream and liquid. I try them more and I'm very fond of those kind of blushes. So I really wanted to try this one again for a really long time, and I finally got my hands on this one. So this is the blush, and this is the Flower Beauty blush in liquid formula. And I really wanted to try this one for a really long time again, and this one is in the shade BB4 Melon. Open, and sorry, I only applied this one today. Only I applied this one. So this is how it looks. Again, it's not very a lot in the quantity. It's not a product. It's only this much the product, and it cost for 800 rupees. And this is the Blush Bomb Color Drops for cheeks. And this, I told you, it's in the shade Melon liquid formula, and this is how you apply it. I was like, before telling you guys and before doing this haul, I should apply it for once. So today only applied for the makeup, and see. This blush is only this one. I haven't applied any other blush, and it's so good. And of this blush is so good. Like, you just need 2 drops, and 2 drops, ek idhar, and you're good to go. So the pigmentation on this blush is so good. If you can see, and the color is so good. It's so smooth. It just glides on your skin. Amazing. It's so good. I'm really happy with this blush. It is expensive. It's for 800 rupees, and the quantity shows there, but is worth the buy. If you're one of the people who like blushes and trying on new blushes, then you should definitely purchase and give a try to this blush. It's so good. Next product is this one. So this is a Too Faced Damn Girl 24-hour mascara in black. It says for shamelessly thick and curled lashes, and it's 97% say they saw full on volume, 100% they say intense black lashes, and 99% long wearing results. This one's for 1900. What I really like about this mascara is the packaging. Oh my god, you can see it's so good. From all the, I think, is the brush. So this is like this. So the brush is really different from all the mascara that I've ever used. I really want you to try this one. Today I'm wearing this mascara, and I'm loving my lashes. I really like the mascara. It's a bit on the expensive side, but I think this one is worth the buy. Guys, that's it for my Nykaa haul. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the video. Right now, there's a sale going on Nykaa. So like on every other brand, it's 10% or 40-50% off. So yeah, it's like on every other brand. So if you want any of these products, I would mention the link in the description box below. So do check it out. And if you guys like the video, then don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends or family or anybody. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon just side mein hota hai, so that you always get notified when I upload my next video, which is always Wednesday and Sunday. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye.